Hello everyone, this is Devan and today we are talking about affiliate marketing. So if you want to know what is affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing, whether affiliate marketing is for you or not, watch this video till the end as I answer all of these questions one by one. So since the time I started my content writing journey, started my YouTube videos, I have been hearing a lot about affiliate marketing. People told me that I can earn when I sleep. So I don't have to work every time to earn money through affiliate marketing. It is a source of passive income. As you are, even I was intrigued by this prospect of affiliate marketing and I decided to do a little more research and I'll share my learnings, my experience with you. Affiliate marketing is basically selling other people's product and getting a commission from them. So if you sell a $100 product and the commission rate is 8%, you will be getting $8 for your efforts for selling your products in the network. Why is affiliate marketing encouraged so much these days? To answer that question, the benefits of affiliate marketing is twofold. One, from the company's point of view, they don't have to spend on advertisements. They can spend on the affiliates who bring in clients. So in this way, instead of spending on advertisements which may or may not result in sales, they are spending after getting sales. So in this way, companies make a lot of savings and they encash upon the brand equity of the person bringing in clients. The second benefit is from the point of view of the affiliates. Well, we talk about our experience of using products, we talk about products that we use and we suggest products to our friends all the time. What if we get money for that? Who wouldn't love that? So these are the primary two reasons why affiliate marketing is growing. This is the reason why affiliators are increasing and people who experience the benefit of affiliate marketing are suggesting affiliate marketing for their fellow beings as well. So how to start with affiliate marketing? Now there are many get rich quick schemes in the market that give you benefit, that show you that this person has earned this much in weeks, this much in days. But in actual, if you want to have a consistent growth in affiliate marketing, you need to start slowly. You need to build yourself, you need to build your audience before you see the actual success from affiliate marketing. I'll take you through these steps of affiliate marketing one by one. So watch it till the end to know how you can do it, how best you can use your authority, you can use your network to earn some money. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear idea what best works for you, what kind of affiliate marketing is for you, what you should do to earn money through affiliate marketing and the like. So if you are enjoying what I do right now and if you are intrigued by the process of affiliate marketing, do hit the like button. That really gives me a boost to come up with more and more videos for you. The first step in affiliate marketing is whom to target. You need to have a fixed target and you need to focus on solving their pain points, solving their issues with the products from the company that you are affiliate partner of. For example, if you want to target the students, then their pain points include stationeries, books, course materials. These are the things that students require. So you can promote those products to those niche, those students, and when they buy using your link, using your referral, you will get a commission. If you want to target youngsters, try selling them some hip product like t-shirts, guitars, cameras, something cool and something that makes them look hip and helps them in positioning them in their friends group. So there are many ways, many niches out there in the market with each their own problem. You need to identify the pain points and where you can solve with your product and show them the product and recommend them those products which will benefit them and you. Now, where to do affiliate marketing? So you can receive the best results from affiliate marketing if you have a fan following, if you have a follower base. You can do this by blogging, by having your own podcast, having your own YouTube channel where people come and consume your content, and within the content you can have affiliate marketing links, promote your affiliate products so that whenever they use your links or your recommendations, you get some commission like the one I'm going to do now. So I have partnered with Amazon in their affiliate marketing programs. I have some products in the description below, so do check out. So if you really want to buy some management books, buy some books on personal development, do check out the links. I'm sure there is something for your taste. Third thing is, after you have decided your niche, the problem that you are going to solve for them, you have decided where would you be posting your links, posting your recommendations, where you have a good fan following, where you have a good follower base. Next, you need to join affiliate program with companies. Now there are many companies who have their affiliate programs there. You have eBay, you have Amazon, you have Bluehost, you have Rakuten. So there there are many options you can choose from and decide whichever suits you best, whichever suits your audience best. Some of the programs do not have delivery in all the places over the globe. So if you're focused on Indian audience, best is you can have Amazon affiliate link from Amazon.in instead of Amazon.com. If you have an international audience, go for Amazon.com. Same goes for eBay, same goes for any other products, any other affiliate program. You need to focus on what products will be bought most by your niche instead of focusing on which has the highest commission. Because if the volume of a product sold is higher there, even with less commission, you can earn a significant amount of money. The next stage is getting traffic and converting traffic. The more and more content you provide in the market, the more and more you talk about the things you know, the talk to your audience, reach out to your audience through your blogs, your videos, your podcasts. There are chances when people may browse through your section, browse through your website, browse through your YouTube description, and they check out the links. So you need to have a niche. You need to know where to grow the niche. You need to join an affiliate program. Then you need to bring more traffic to your platform, to your channel or blog or website, and then you need to convert them. Now there are things you need to keep in mind before you join the affiliate program. You need to remember that people like to buy things, but people don't like to be sold. So if you are posting about your links all the time, all through your content, that the quality of your content is compromised, people will stop coming to you. So your audience will reduce while also your sales will reduce. Unless you want that, provide value to your customers first, provide value to your niche first, share with them your knowledge, your experience, your opinion, share with them the content they came for. And if they like your content, if they enjoy your content, they will surely use your links and they can surely buy your products using your links. First, build credibility before selling. I'll talk in detail about affiliate marketing in my next video, how to provide value to your customers, how to find your niche, how to address their pain points, and I'll talk in detail about the things you need to keep in mind while doing affiliate marketing. So I'll release the next video as soon as possible. Till then, if you like my video and want to know more about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, any other MBA topic, subscribe to this channel as I keep coming up with more and more relevant content for you.